Hello everyone. If you are a chess player, I love you very much because every chess player must watch this video. As a chess player or chess aspirants, the chess is not only game. It's more than a game. It's life. It teaches many lessons of life. So here I'm going to share you 10 strategy that I have learned from the chess. So this is a video for all those chess lovers who really want something more interesting in your life. So stay with me. Here the top 10 strategy that is given by chess and we have to follow in our life too. The very first, if I'm talking about, chess is not only game but also a way of life. Playing chess can teach you valuable life lessons and you may not ever know it. The 10 items on this list, the greatest life lesson you can learn from playing the game. Okay, so the very first is, sometimes it's okay to bluff. Let's say this is life and it's not always necessary that we have to all the opportunity, we have to all the sources, we have to start very good. We have to say okay on this condition. It means sometimes you need to be says something lie, something which is irrelevant for you, temporary, but if the outcome is really beneficial for someone, so that lie is not lie. So sometimes it's okay to bluff. Next, it's okay to lose. Most of the people in life, like a chess player, my rating was earlier around 1200 in chess.com. I am a not very good player, but I am not very bad player too. So what happens, sometime when I was traveling from Gujarat to Kanpur, I know that day I loses my 250 points. From 1200 I down 850. So that was a day when I realized that it was a huge loss for me as a chess player. But I found every game, what happened, I lose more, and every lose tell me a lesson. What? That you have to not repeat your mistake, because if you repeat mistake, same things happen in your life. Most of the people failed. Failure is the part of our life, but again failing with the same reason is not genuine. So my dear friend, whenever you plan something and whenever you fail, so try to avoid those mistakes that already failed you. I agree, you again failed, but the reason will not repeat, as I think that as life is very important. And if you fail with the same reason again, so it means you have lack of concentration, lack of proper planning. The next is, flexibility is essential. Most of us are very rigid. So rigidness is not a part of life. It may be sometimes necessary, but flexibility is also very important part. If, let's see, things don't always go according to plan, people are unpredictable, and sometimes unfortunately is also unpredictable. Some problems come like health issues, education issues, financial crisis, like in pandemic most of the people facing the problem. So this is unpredictable. How many people making so many plans? There's just so many big tycoon who continuously work for the next and next step, but because of this pandemic everything collapsed. It means not we lose, we have to find out some more ideas, some more values, some innovatives which can change the scenario or a monotonous way that we have to follow. How many of you take opportunity of this pandemic? I think hardly 2 to 3%. Like online education is a part of that, and most of the people are starting online webinar and many things by which they connected by the people. So try to convert your weakness into your strength. Try to convert your problems into your opportunity. Don't be rigid, be flexible, change accordingly time, because if you are rigid and not change accordingly time, so people who adaptability is higher than you can easily defeat you. So don't be very rigid, be flexible. Next, sometimes sacrifice is necessary. How many of you love queen? I think all of the chess lovers. Okay, you never expect that by taking any bishop you have to sacrifice your queen. Nobody. By taking rook you have to sacrifice your queen. Nobody try to sacrifice. But my dear friend, if by sacrificing your queen you get win, so all of us ready to sacrifice your queen. That's really important in life too. Sometimes what happen, we have to sacrifice. Sacrifices is also a part of our life. We don't want to sacrifice our things, and the problem is that we always in our comfort zone. That comfortability really a barrier of our life. It prevents us to cross the threshold, and when you not have a courage to take a risk, believe me, it was very tough to get success as you want. So don't be very comfortable, don't be very protective. Take risk in life. Risk is really important, and sometimes because of risk people makes history. Next, my dear friend, take notice of pattern. What happened when we arrange all the pieces of chess? We have to find it, how to move them, and we have to also notice our opponent's moves. If you just do your business, if you just focus on your moves and you are unaware about your opponent's moves, sometimes his moves is stronger than you and you defeat it. So dear friend, try to find out every single moves, what the strategy, what the plan of your opponent. When you can take notice the pattern, you are better equipped to predict the next move. The skill used to chess to take notice of move your opponent typically makes. You may even find a flaw in their game just by noticing their pattern. Same thing, there are so many competitions, heavy competitors, you surrounded by them, and what happened? We just focus in our business without thinking what the scenario of market. This is also a blunder. You have to follow all the instructions, what they demand, what people need, what the competitors do. Sometimes you have a look of that. Despite you have to focus your business, but you have to look what kind of a strategy the other applied. The next will be think outside the box. Actually, what's happened? Comfortability is a part. I'll already explain it, but some people don't have a dare to out of their cover. If you're not open your cover, if you're not wrapped your box, how can you find opportunity? So just train you to think outside the box. There are many times in a game where your plan are foiled and you need to creative solutions to stay in the game. This is also skill you will need over and over again in life. Thinking outside the box help you to find solutions to problem in ways that others may not think of. Because most of the people in our country, in our system, most of the people followed only successful people. So it's very difficult to think innovative, to think outside our box. So people who think outside of box, they can more percentage of success than other person who only follow the monotonous way. Next is, if an opportunity arises, take it. Don't lose your single opportunity. Every opportunity of life is very important. I understand these things exactly when I was working somewhere. I don't want to take the name of the institute. I had applied for more reputed job. Unfortunately, I was not selected, and the reason behind it that, Mr. Umesh, you have no leadership quality. At that day, I realized that whatever in your hand, it's an opportunity. Don't lose it. Just grasp it tightly. Yeah, you may do whatever I want. It means not you lose the opportunity that you have in hand. So take a backup plan. It's very, very important. If you have not a backup, believe me again, that was a very typical situation for you to control your mind, your emotions. The next is stand your ground. Most of the people, as getting success, become overconfident. They forget everything. They forget their friends, relatives. And what happened exactly? After a long time of period, they feel alone. So my dear friend, remember, your success is not your sole success. There's so many people with you that continuously pray for you, support you for your success. So don't leave ground. So in the chase, you want to be confident to moves you make, both in chess and life. If you do something, make sure to stand your ground and fight for what you believe, in which you believe, and try to find out your strength, try to find out your power, your confidence, your knowledge, and those people who always support you. You have to count all those single and individual person. Next, take actions. What's happening in life? I'm not just talking only of chess. In life, most of the time come when we just say excuses to others, when we say our problems to others, when we say we didn't get proper opportunity, we have not proper sources, and still we always say the same sentence, same negativity again and again and again, and they become multiple, and day by day our personality, our knowledge become dumb. And entire life people waste their time by making excuses. So take action. Whatever outputs, don't think about action. There was a story. The story is very beautiful. I am telling here, there was a tree. Near the tree there was a river, and most of the monkey, female monkey and male monkey, both lives on the tree. Every day they jump on the river and take a bath and come again. They do so every day. They did this activity and all are enjoying there. What happened? One day there is a predictions, a monkey that jump into river, the first monkey who jump into river be a angel. So most of the monkey are just watching the face to each other, but nobody has dare to jump on that day, because they don't think what is angel. By the way, they are doing same activity daily, but because they don't know what is angel, so not a single monkey has dared to jump. Finally, one female monkey jumped into the river and she became an angel. Then other realize we all miss opportunity. So my dear friend, don't miss your opportunity. Take action as soon as possible. Our last is have fun. Life is nothing but the fun. Life is nothing but the fun. Repeat again. Life is nothing but the fun. Whatever you are doing, all things are temporary. Your pleasure, your pain, your sadness, your happiness, all are temporary. Most of the people waste their time, say their pain to again and again. But I think, believe yourself, every single deed of your life is a fun. Nothing else. Your responsibility, your family, your friend, all are a part of that. Engage with people as much as possible. Do good deed to the society, for your nation, for your friend circle, that change your life. So don't think that whatever you are doing, it's a kind of monotonous work. Every day you think your day is the awesome, and whatever you are doing, is a part of fun of your life. Believe me, the positiveness come in your mind. Your soul become more enthusiastic, and day by day you learn new skills. Please and smile that can attract the millions people. On that day you realize how the life is beautiful. So my dear friend, most importantly is the game of the chess. Every time when we play the chess, we get fun. I played today more than 20 matches, 3 minutes timing, and 20 minutes, around 1 hour I spent. Every match is fun for me. I never tired, I never bored. You know why? Because I had an interest in this game. So my dear old friend, if you develop interest in your life towards your goal, towards your aim, towards your work, believe me, that is a time that nobody defeat you, nobody lose you, and you are a person who is like a rising sun. So I hope all of you learn these 10 strategies from the chess. Thanks a lot. This is Umesh Mishra. Stay with me. If you love this video, like and share my channel, subscribe it.